Let's look at 3 ways to build a dividend snowball to grow your wealth fast. Number 3, choose dividend growth stocks for your investments. A dividend growth stock is a company that pays its shareholders a regular dividend and then increases that dividend on an annual basis. While there are many types of stocks out there, dividend growth stocks tend to be more stable and generate income even during tough economic times. That's because the companies that pay dividends are typically mature businesses with strong fundamentals. And since they're increasing their dividends each year, they're also usually growing their earnings at a healthy rate. For these reasons, many investors choose to have a significant portion of their portfolios made up of dividend growth stocks. Not only do these stocks provide stability and income, but they can also offer the potential for capital gains as the companies continue to grow. Here are some things to look for. Moderate dividend yield. It's best to go for a dividend yield between 3 to 5%. Dividend yields that are lower than 3% might not generate dividends that are substantial enough to create an income snowball. On the other hand, a dividend yield higher than 5% may suggest too much investment risk. Dividend history. How long has the company paid dividends? Not only that, but we want to see good dividend growth, so we need to know how many years in a row the company increased its dividend and at what rate. In general, longer histories of paying dividends and faster rates of growth are better. They show us the sustainability of a company's business model as well as their commitment to returning money to shareholders under any circumstances. Number 2, consistently invest money into your dividend portfolio. When it comes to investing, there are 2 primary ways to increase the amount of money you have available to invest: saving more money and making more money. Of course, both of these options have their pros and cons. For example, saving more money may mean making sacrifices in other areas of your budget, while earning more money may require putting in extra hours at work or taking on a second job. However, both options can be effective in increasing the amount of money you have available to invest. By saving more money each month, you can slowly but surely increase the size of your investment portfolio. Similarly, by earning more money, you can give yourself a larger pool of funds to work with from the start. Ultimately, the best way to invest more money into your portfolio is to find a balance between saving and earning that works for you and your unique financial situation. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, reinvest the dividends. One of the best ways to grow your wealth is to reinvest your dividends. Although this may seem like a simple concept, there are actually several reasons why reinvesting your dividends can be beneficial. First of all, reinvesting your dividends allows you to compound your returns. In other words, the money that you make from your investments will earn interest, and that interest will also earn interest. Over time, this can cause your investment to grow exponentially. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.